I challenge anybody to do the following. Take 4 subjects: sales, negotiation, human nature, and money. 4 topics. Read every book on negotiation, above 400 reviews on Amazon, that's 4 plus star. Read any book that's above 4 star, 25 of them, 400 reviews on sales. Read any book on human nature, psychology, persuasion, negotiation, any of that stuff. Read any book on money with 400 plus reviews. Read principles, like things like that by Dalio, by Buffett. And for 2 years, obsess over doing that. For 2 years, obsess over doing that. 2 years later, work your ass off and improve. Come back to me 2 years from now. Matter of fact, you won't even come back to me because you forgot about it because you're killing the marketplace. The market rewards people who outwork and out-improve. It's proven.